Hi, my name is Bill Ray. I'm with Alumni Financial Services. I've been in the business in the finance world for well over 20 years. Your question is how to start a personal budget. It's an excellent question. I'm going to tell you it's going to take a little time, and it might be frustrating at the beginning, but it's easy to do. And by the way, it doesn't have to be that expensive. For instance, I spent $4 on an accordion. I know it's not the latest technology, but it is the simplest way to understand budgeting. So if you have one of these, and you go out and get yourself a little notebook, any type at all, cheap, and you record every single expense you have for a 30-day period, you're on the way to starting a budget. Once you record all your expenses and what you spent your money on, you can put them on a simple sheet of paper. If you have a computer, that's great. Put it on a spreadsheet. Once you begin to analyze what your expenses are, and you should sit down and look at this every single month, you need to know where your money's going to. If you rent, or if you own, you have a mortgage. Do you have electric? What are you spending on cable, satellite, internet? What about gas for your car? Do you use public transportation? Are you paying for a car? Medical, legal, entertainment. Don't kid yourself, folks. If you're going to go out to a movie, budget it in. It's okay. It's also okay to budget for vacations. So once you have all what you're spending on, and you already know what you're making, you simply list them. Is my income more than my expenses? I'm okay. If my expenses are more than my income, we have some work to do. If you're already over your head, don't fret. It took you a while to get into this. It'll take you a little while to get out. But I can assure you of this. Once you have an idea of how to manage money, it's very easy for anyone at wherever they are in life to be completely debt-free in between 3 to 5 years, depending upon how you learn to manage your money. For income, if you don't have enough, you can simply either ask for a pay raise, hard to do in today's economy, or you can create a home-based business or get a part-time job. Increase your income, get over your expenses. Cut your expenses down by learning the difference between wants and needs. Once you do this for a little while, it'll become a habit, and once it's a habit, it's easy to maintain. My name is Bill Ray. I'm with Alumni Financial Services, and always we're here to help you build true wealth.